If your home smells like freshly baked bread and evergreen boughs, you're doing the holidays right. Imagine walking into a home filled with the warm, inviting aroma of the holidays. Today, we're going to show you how to create your own holiday potpourri using ingredients straight from your garden. First, let's gather some ground cinnamon, cloves, and allspice. These spices are like mini time machines, taking us back to holiday baking in Grandma's kitchen. Next, grab some apples, oranges, and lemons. Their sweet and citrusy scents will brighten up any room and add that extra festive flair. Don't forget the cranberries. Not only do they add a delightful pop of color, but they also bring that quintessential holiday tang. Now, head out to your garden and snip some rosemary and evergreen sprigs. Their earthy, piney aromas will make your potpourri smell like a winter wonderland. Mix it all together and simmer on your stovetop or place in sachets for a charming gift. The scent will dance through your home, evoking holiday memories and creating new ones. It's amazing how our sense of smell can bring back moments as clear as yesterday. Freshly baked bread, evergreen boughs, chocolates, these are the scents of Christmas. So gather your garden goodies and let's make this holiday season even more memorable. Merry Christmas, everyone!